The green laser lines projected by this Wokeline laser leveling unit are clearly visible up to 130 feet indoors. And outside with the laser receiver in use, the effective range is up to 165 feet. The self-leveling Smart Pendulum System keeps the level of the line when in unlocked mode with the unit anchored using the magnetic base. If the unit becomes out of level for any reason, an alarm will indicate that the base and unit should be checked. When the pendulum system is locked, the multifunctional unit can be safely transported or used to project square lines at any desired angle. The coated laser reticle provides improved laser clarity and prevents reflections that could especially affect outdoor use in bright light. The 520 nm wavelength lasers are accurate to 1/16 of an inch at 30 feet, providing for true and level lines throughout all projects. The laser comes with 2 long-lasting batteries and a charger that includes a USB charging port for convenient charging of other devices. This unit provides the same functionality as other 3x360-degree units at about half the cost. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Full room level laser layout. 1 horizontal plane line and 2 vertical plane lines can rotate through a full 360 degrees to cover the floor, ceiling, and all walls of a room at the same time. Laser lines intersect at 90 degrees to provide completely square angles on all surfaces. Each line can be displayed independently for a custom full room layout. The self-leveling feature ensures a level line display throughout the entire desired layout. Laser power: lesser than or equal to 1 MW. Class 2. Number 2. High accuracy inside and outside. The green beam laser lines are produced with German lasers operating at 520 nm wavelength and are accurate to within 1/16 of an inch at 30 feet. The indoor range is up to 130 feet and the outdoor range goes up to 165 feet with the laser receiver in normal light brightness. Number 3. Self-leveling and manual modes. The laser self-levels within 4 degrees. And when the unit is in operation in unlocked mode, it will alarm at any time it becomes out of level for any reason. When locked in manual mode, the lines can be aligned at any designed angle. Number 4. Durable construction with long-lasting batteries. The unit is waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. The surface material has high grip sensitivity, and the ergonomically designed ribbed grip handle provides for stable and comfortable operation. The unit comes with 2 2000 mAh batteries, providing up to 14 hours of continuous use. The professional coating over the laser projectors provides clear light transmission while reducing reflection. Number 5. Complete laser combo and warranty. The unit comes with a fully automatic laser level, laser target, 2 batteries and charger, and a 5/8 of an inch magnetic base. The manufacturer provides a 1-year warranty on this laser unit, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.